Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. Mr. Ashok Ban, learned senior counsel for the CBI, by pointing out the penultimate paragraph in the order dated 5/10/2012, that is, it will be however open to the petitioner to renew his prayer for bail before the trial court on completion of the investigation by the CBI on the issues as indicated above and submission of the final charge sheet submitted, that in view of the fact that the investigation is still continuing in respect of the transactions with certain companies persons, the present application for bail is not maintainable. Stop. It is relevant to note that in the order dated 5/10/2012, this court noted the statement made by learned ASG, who appeared for the CBI, that the investigation relating to conspiracies distinctly involving 7 entities which by themselves are independent to each other requires further time. Stop. According to learned senior counsel for the CBI, they require 4-6 months time to complete the investigation in respect of the 7 entities as mentioned in the order dated 5/12/2012 and to file a charge sheet. Stop. In support of the above claim, the CBI pointed out various instances from the counter affidavit as well as from the status report justifying their stand for the dismissal of the bail application. Stop. In the status report, the CBI has assured that the investigation is being carried out expeditiously as directed by this court. Stop. It is stated that among 7 issues, the CBI has completed the investigation with respect to Messrs. Dalmia Cements and consequently filed the charge sheet in the Court of Special Judge for CBI cases, Hyderabad, on 8/4/2013. Stop. According to the CBI, presently the investigation is progressing with regard to other 6 issues also, and the CBI is in the final stages of investigation with respect to the following, viz. Messrs. India Cements, Pina Cements and investments through Kolkata companies. Stop. It is also assured to this court that the CBI is likely to file charge sheet / final reports in the above said 3 issues shortly. Stop. The CBI has highlighted the investigation relating to Messrs. India Cements Limited and the various amounts exchanged between the parties. Stop. In respect of the above, according to the CBI, they had made illegal quid pro quo investments to the tune of rupees 140 crores into the group companies of Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy (A1) and had received several benefits in the form of permissions granted for utilization / additional quantity of water from Kagna and Krishna rivers and lease of land. Stop. It is also pointed out that the investigation in the case is almost complete except few more crucial witnesses have to be examined. Stop. The CBI also pointed out the details of investigation relating to investment through paper companies based in Kolkata and Mumbai, popularly known as suitcase companies. Stop. Since investigation is on a halfway, we are not referring all those details mentioned in the status report. Stop. It is further pointed out that during investigation, a total number of 140 witnesses, including IAS officers and concerned ministers, have been examined and 352 documents were collected. Stop. According to the CBI, out of these, some more crucial witnesses have to be examined. Full stop. Over.